In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change a Jira status. Managing tasks efficiently in Jira is vital for team collaboration and ensuring projects run smoothly, so knowing how to update issue statuses is a helpful skill. Let's walk through the process step by step, ensuring we cover everything you need to know to get this right. First, you'll want to navigate to the Your Work section in Jira. This is your starting point. By heading to this area, you get a personalized view of all your current tasks, assignments, and priorities. Think of it like your home base in Jira, a place that gives you a clear overview of what needs your attention. Once you've landed on your work, the next task is to select the project you're working on. In Jira, projects serve as containers for your issues, and each project is typically aligned with a particular team, initiative, or department. This step is crucial because selecting the correct project ensures that any changes you make, such as updating a status, are applied to the right items. Now that your project is chosen, the next step involves clicking on the Issues tab. The Issues tab is the heart of the project workspace. Here, you will find a comprehensive list of all issues within the project, neatly categorized, usually by priority, deadline, and other helpful filters. It will give you the freedom to dive deep into specific tasks or view broad trends and progress across the project. With the Issues tab open, you'll need to select the particular issue you wish to update. This means scanning through the list and identifying the one task or bug that you're focusing on. You can often find these by using filters or search functions, which allow you to pinpoint issues with ease, especially in projects with a massive scope or many contributors. Once you've chosen your issue, you'll click to open it. Here's where things get a little more detailed. By opening the issue, you're accessing all its various elements, from descriptions and comments to file attachments, and importantly, the status drop-down menu. This page offers a full insight into every facet of the issue, allowing you to see the context and recent updates. Now, it's time to update the status itself. Look for the status drop-down menu, typically found at the top of the issue view. This will display the current status, and when clicked, it gives you a list of all possible statuses available within the current workflow. The workflow dictates how an issue can move from start to finish, and it's here that you select the new status to reflect where the issue currently stands. Choosing the right status is invaluable in keeping the team informed of the task's progress. Whether it's marking a task as in progress, signaling completion with done, or any other custom status your team uses, it's this update that helps everyone stay aligned and aware of project movement. And there you have it. You've successfully changed the status of an issue in Jira. This small but critical action contributes to clearer communication and project tracking. Remember, while it seems simple, maintaining updated statuses can significantly enhance team efficiency and workflow clarity. It's good practice to regularly revisit pending issues and ensure their statuses are accurate. Thanks for tuning in to this tutorial. I hope you found it clear and informative, empowering you to manage your projects in Jira more effectively. If you have any questions or need further clarification, be sure to check out additional resources or the community forums for more insights. Happy managing!